The construction sector accounts for approximately 34% of global CO emissions, with cement production alone contributing 8%, making emission reduction an urgent priority. Biochar has emerged as a key solution due to its dual benefits as a versatile building material and a carbon sequestration tool. Policies such as those in the EU now recognize buildings stored biochar in certification systems, while green building standards increasingly endorse its use. Key advantages of biochar in construction: adding 1 to 2% biochar to concrete enhances flexural strength by approximately 15%, while partial replacement of aggregates can improve compressive strength by approximately 10% and reduce weight by 10 to 20%, lowering transport emissions. Biochar clay composites exhibit excellent thermal insulation, thermal conductivity as low as 0.101 W per meter K, while biochar panels offer superior sound absorption for noise reduction. Biochar-infused insulation helps maintain indoor humidity at 40 to 60%, inhibiting mold growth. Biochar provides a practical and scalable solution to help the construction industry achieve its decarbonization goals.